According to a recent study, millions of people around the world suffer from migraines every year.
This may have something to do with the women menstrual cycle, but also may be the cause of excessive alcohol, climate changes, stress, unhealthy foods, and the lack of exercise and sleep. If you have migraines, you probably understand how having excruciating and consistent headache can really affect your life. Here are some natural home remedies for migraines and headaches that you can use today to improve the quality of your life. One of the main reasons why you have migraine headaches is because of stress. There are many responsibilities and deadlines you need to get done which cause your brain to overthink and become exhausted. If possible, you need to take some time off and relax, watch a movie, comedy, or practice deep breathing technique. You need to understand what is more important, your healthy life or money and work. Another good home remedies for migraines and headaches are gingers and peppermint oil. You can add more ginger to your meal or take some ginger supplements to help relieve the pain. Also, rubbing peppermint oil on your head where it hurts can also help reduce migraines to a certain extent. Although these natural remedies are not scientifically proven, some people do swear by it and it is not harmful to try. Studies have found that the food you eat can also affect your migraine symptoms significantly. It is also known that if you don't cleanse and detoxify your colon, liver, and internal systems, the toxins can actually intensify the migraines and sinus headaches. One way to eliminate wastes and toxins inside your body is by drinking lots and lots of water, juice, and green tea. These are great home remedies for migraines because it not only cleanses your systems and also help you release stress, boost energy and feel much better. It is recommended that you add more vegetables and fruits to your diets, especially high fibers and antioxidant foods. You can find high antioxidants in most berries, grapes, red wine, and fibers in whole grains and wheat. While eating healthy, you must have some kind of exercises each day to help you release stress and toxins from your body. Sweating can be one of the best home remedies for migraines, whether by exercising or sitting in the sauna room for half an hour. You can learn natural home remedies for headaches and migraine. No drugs, or any costly procedures. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded.